Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup is my updated everyday makeup look, a little bit more extra than usual, more bronzy and sultry. I am loving it. I am loving this weather. Everything is just making me so excited for spring and summer and a potential lockdown lift date. So these are very exciting things. I want to say a massive thank you to Lilysilk for partnering with me on this video. I'm wearing one of their 100% Mulberry silk camisoles right now. Love this color. Oh my goodness. It inspired this look even more just from the shade that it is and like how it glistens in the sun. I'm obviously feeling this top very much. They have a range of different products on their site, from hair accessories to pajamas to tops to 100% cashmere clothing as well too. I picked up this camisole and, as you already have clearly witnessed, I am obsessed with it. It is so beautiful. The shade of it just speaks bronze goddess to me. I also picked up this camisole and oh my goodness, imagine like a slicked back hairstyle with gold jewelry and like a bold lip to kind of tie in the top. Oh my goodness. And then a little bit of shimmer on like your shoulders and collarbone. Oh my goodness. This is another top that I love. I'm definitely going to try and introduce some brighter tones this spring summer. I know I'm a beige queen when it comes to color, but I love this one. It is like the perfect sunset shade. Absolutely stunning. I also picked up this black cashmere hoodie. Beautiful, just like a nice slouchy fit, so easy to layer with. So again, on those colder days, especially living here in Northern Ireland, we're still gonna get those cold sunny days. It's great to wear with like a light jacket on top. Beautiful, timeless piece. These are pieces that are gonna last you a lifetime. They're gonna withstand trends just because they're classic pieces to have in a wardrobe. I also picked up some of their 100% Mulberry silk pillowcases. I swear by silk pillowcases. My mom has always slept with one, so I feel like I've just always known about it, and it is incredible. There's so many benefits, beauty benefits especially. It has anti-aging benefits for your skin. It really helps your hair as well too, to minimize tangling, and especially if you get really sweaty, it's definitely a breathable fabric so you don't get really gross and sticky whenever you wake up. It's luxurious to sleep on. I've converted Patty. He now sleeps with one and loves it as well. It's definitely great for his eczema skin. He has quite sensitive skin, especially around his beard, and this just makes it a lot more comfortable to sleep on. Also, their packaging, how cute. Love these boxes. I feel like they're just so luxurious to open. It makes the experience a lot more exciting. Absolutely love them. I already have so many other little items saved on their site that I am saving for my 30th birthday, but they have a great selection and everything is just beautiful quality. So I will link everything that I've shown you down below, and honestly just have a little explore because there are incredible options. But if you want to see this makeup look featuring this beautiful camisole, then just keep on watching. Okay, starting off with foundation, I'm using this one, which is a little bit newer to my collection, and I believe it's a newer launch. It is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte Full Coverage Liquid Foundation. I have it in the shade Toasted Coconut 240N. Great if I have a little bit of tan. This is definitely full coverage. I think they've reformulated it to make it a little bit softer looking, not so intense. I still find I have to really blend it out. A little goes a long way, and I find good skincare, like hydrating skincare underneath, is gonna be your best friend with this foundation. If you have drier skin, probably steer clear. I have oily skin, so it works for me. Okay, I feel good about that. Moving on to concealer. This has been my favorite under eye concealer. It is amazing. It's the Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Concealer. I have it in the shade Fair 1W. So a little bit on the warmer side, but it is quite fair. Literally, you guys, the smallest amount. It is so pigmented. I'm gonna do a little dot in here, and on the other side, I'm just gonna leave it for a portion of this video so that it can dry down. I'm also gonna do a very small slice over on the outer corner, and this is just gonna help sharpen up the eyeshadow look that we're gonna do later on, but we're just gonna leave it like this. I know it looks weird. Trust the process. Moving on to cream bronzer, I'm using the Huda Beauty Tantour in Fair. Love this stuff. I'm wearing the lightest shade, and it's still like, I don't would never go darker than this, even with a tan. I love the consistency of them, and I love how they blend out as well. Okay, if you have drier skin, you don't have to set your Tantour just because your skin will probably work with it. For me though, having oily skin, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer and just literally press on top of the areas I put the cream bronzer, just to ensure it doesn't move, because my skin type basically likes to move every kind of cream product on my face. So this is just a little reassurance layer. Moving on to eyebrows, I've been doing a little bit of a lighter, fluffier brow lately, not so defined, and I've been using the Bare Minerals Strength and Length Serum Infused Brow Gel. I have it in the shade Chestnut, definitely like a really soft light brown shade, and I just like to brush it through and then shape out where I want the hairs. This kind of just gives a little bit of dimension with color, as you can see. Before we blend out our concealer, I'm just gonna go to a face powder. This is the MAC Studio Fix in NW22. It's a little bit like an extra layer of coverage on areas that you might need it. For me is my jawline, just from previous acne scarring, but again, it just lets your makeup last a little bit longer throughout the day. Now to blend out this concealer, I'm gonna start with the inner portion, and from that little dot that we put on, you're gonna see the amazing coverage it gives and how much it brightens your eyes as well too. You can see the difference between this eye and this eye, and that was with one dot of concealer. And then whatever I have left powder-wise on my brush, just going to set that in place. I don't want to do too much because we didn't put too much concealer on. It minimizes the chance of setting in any of our fine lines. I'm still gonna just press it out. I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer now. We're gonna move on to some eyeshadow. I know, crazy. I don't really wear eyeshadow, but this palette is just so easy for every day. It's the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Neutral Eyeshadow Palette, and we're gonna take the shade Believer. It's like a nice taupey bronze shimmer shade. So beautiful all over the lid, right up into the eyebrow bone. Just think it looks so nice, almost like a wet effect on your eyes. I'm obsessed with that shade. So easy to use. You literally just like slap it on the eye, blend it out, you're good to go. Now I'm going to take the two darkest matte shades, and with a small little angled eyeliner brush, I'm just going to put that at the outer corner of my eye and wing it out. I'm going to zoom you in even more, and we're going to go ahead and apply some mascara. One of my favorite drugstore ones is this L'Oreal Double Extension. Comes with a primer and then the actual mascara on the other side. Super good, great price, lasts all day. I like to do about 2 coats of this for nice dramatic looking lashes. I'm gonna take whatever was left on that little angle brush, the two darker matte shades from the palette, and just put it on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Finish off the glowy bronze vibe that we're going for. I'm gonna take this Auric Glow Lust. I have the shade Selenite. It is stunning. You can put this all over your face prior to foundation, which forgot to do, but I use literally this much for my glow. That will last me forever because you get a lot in that product. It's also made by a Canadian girl, so extra love for it, but this is the amount I use, a small little drop, and I'm gonna blend it between the tips of my fingers just for some warmth, and then just gonna go ahead and tap it on, and you'll see the stunningness of it. And I know that's not a word, but oh my goodness, it is such a beautiful product. I like to put it on all the high points of my face. And you guys know I'm not a big highlighter fan, but this is just perfect if you want like a glow, hence the name. I know I'm gonna be like bathing in this in the summertime, especially if I don't want like a makeup day. I just want a little bit of glow. Oh my goodness, it's like the perfect amount if you just wanna look healthy, you know, like a healthy glow. I feel like I can't do a bronzy makeup look without using Iconic Nude from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm gonna line my lips with that, and then we're gonna play around with the top color. For lips, I wanna keep them neutral but glossy. So I'm gonna go in with my Bare Minerals Memory Lipstick. Love this shade. It complements this lip liner so well as well too. And then on top of that, I'm gonna take this Note Cosmetics BB color in 02. I was literally just about to film an outro for this look, and I was like, something just doesn't seem right with this makeup. I forgot blush. Who am I? You guys know I'm like obsessed with blush, and I forgot it. Anyways, I'm using this new blush from Vive in the shade Cherub. It is stunning. Perfect summery spring shade. I love it. I go ham with it. You don't have to go ham with it. This shade is everything. Now, this is finally the final look. Do not forget your blush. It is essential for that sun-kissed look, and it's definitely been my go-to for a little bit more of an extra everyday makeup look. Don't forget to check those links down in my description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.